Hey, Howell here. How are you today? I'm coming to you today to give you some tips and some advice on why you should be blogging. I'm participating right now in a 21-day blogging contest, and it's been such a great experience. I had a blog, with my business previously. I started it actually last year, but I wasn't consistent. So when the opportunity came up for me to join a 21-day blogging contest, I jumped on it. Why? Because I know the power of blogging. Blogging is a great way to get your message out there to the people that you want to reach. It's a great way to spread, your passions, your hobbies, whatever message you want to tell. I was speaking to someone today, and she asked me. She said, "Well, how do you make money blogging?" And that was such a great question. So I said, I'm going to make a video about that because it's so important to know that you can get paid for talking about your passion. So there are ways to get money blogging. I mean, I'm part of a network called Empower Network, which is an amazing platform, and you actually have a blogging platform there, and you get paid when people read your content. You get paid when people, join you in your blogging, on your blogging platform. They say, "Hey, I want to learn how to blog also. I want to share my passion or my expertise or my knowledge, whatever it is, my business with other people." So that's how you get paid blogging. That's the best way to get paid. Become an affiliate of Empower Network. But you don't have to just do that. You can have ads on your blog. I have Google Ads on my blog, and Google is a great way to let the search engines know. Google basically is verifying you as a blogger. They're verifying you as an authority figure on the internet. So you want to start blogging. You want to get your message out there. You want to not just think so much about the money. Yes, you can make money blogging. There are lots of ways to make money. Actually, I was reading a book about blogging, but you can also share your blogs with other people. You can share your content on other people's blogs. That's another way to make money. But I think the best way to make money is just to keep your content out there, especially if you're in business. Now, if you're a hobbyist, if you want to just have it as a hobby, there are other ways. I'm not going to, share that on this video. But if you want to make money as a business owner, you need a blog. You need a blog so that people around the world. Someone opted into my page yesterday from Singapore. So, and I'm in the United States. So this is what you want to do. You want to blog to get your message out there in cyberspace so that people around the world can hear what you want to say, can feel your words, can, put a video on your blog. That's called vlogging. You want to do that. Let the people feel you. Let the people hear you. Let the people see you. And that's the way that you get connection, especially as a business owner. If you're in a multi-level marketing business, if you're a home-based business owner, if you're a small business owner, these are the things that you want to incorporate in your business. If you don't have money for television advertisers like the big, corporations, then you have to think outside of the box. You can place ads if you'd like, but the best way to get your message out there over time and eventually get paid from what you love to do, especially if you love to write, even if you don't love to write, just write. If you love your products, if you love your business, if you love what you do, write it down or make a video, like I said, and put it on a blog. And you can email that to your list. You can put that on your Facebook profile. You can put it on Instagram. You can put it in so many different social media sites. Put it on Twitter. This is the things that I do. This is what I do to get people around the world listening to me, watching me, reading my content. And once I connect with them, it's like they already know me because they've been following me. I have people following me on Facebook, LinkedIn. So these are the things that you want to do. You know, you want to blog, and you can make money blogging. People are making multi-six-figure incomes from blogging. People are making millions of dollars from blogging. So if you're not blogging, you're hurting your business, because you can make money blogging. If you're already making money in your business, that is wonderful. So add a blog to that. 10x it. 10x your business by adding a blog. All right, this is Danielle K. Howell, and I love helping entrepreneurs, small space business, home-based business owners, and multi-level marketers grow their businesses online. This is what you are here for. This is why you're watching this, because you are looking for a way to grow your business online, and blogging is one of them. So I'll talk to you soon. I hope this video was helpful. Read my blog, DanielleKHowell.com, and I will speak to you soon. Bye-bye.